Today we are in Lime Walk in the centre of Headington, Oxfordshire, working alongside a well-established development company known as Christchurch Homes. We have been contracted to supply and install 30 metre cube of cementitious liquid screed into 8 residential flats. Using these stainless steel tripods, we sat our laser 1 metre down from the datum level that has been presented on the wall. We then calibrate our laser with the top of this tripod and then set all other tripods at the same height. This allows for a seamless and flat finish across the entirety of the floor. As you can see, there is no underfloor heating throughout the entirety of this development project. This is why we have opted for a cementitious liquid screed. This is a cement-based screed, which is fast drying, but also you do not need to remove the latents off the top once it is cured. Having 70 metres of hose at our disposal makes it so much easier for us to get into every corner and floor of this development project.